Hello, good day friends. So welcome. In today's video I'm going to show you guys a new quantitative platform that we're going to be stacking USDT up from. Now this actually the conversion rate a dollar is to a naira. Now on this new quantitative platform I'm going to be placing a live withdrawal, and this is the platform we're going to be earning from for the week. If you are seeing my channel for the very first time, please make sure you like, you comment and subscribe. Make sure you watch this video carefully so you don't make any mistake. For you to get started, just check down the link in the pinned comments of this video or the description box. You can register using an email account, or after your email account you input a login password, and then the next thing for security is to put your security password. Now this security password is majorly like a 6-digit number that you can actually use. Just pick something, a number, in a letter and then number. Then you can register using your phone number, choose your country code and then register. For me, I already have an account, so all I'm just going to do is to click on login. Please make sure that you watch this video carefully so you don't make any mistake. So I'm just going to sign up right now with my login password and then I log in. So once I log in, I'm going to show you guys how you can actually recharge on this platform and how you can get started. You are going to see this information, but you can actually read it through, but I'm going to show you guys what this information is actually meant for. So as you can see rightly displayed on the screen right now is that I started with around 15 USDT. For you to actually know the perfect plan for you to start up with, now this 15 USDT is going to be giving me approximately in naira, it should be around 5,000 naira, around that is 2.6 USDT thereabout. But I'm going to do everything right now. Then the next thing for you to do is to click on quantify. Quantify is the second icon counting from my left and then the third icon counting from my right. You are going to see it below your screen once you register on this platform. Now once I click on quantify, I'm going to see different various levels right here. Now look at the different level. We have the level 1 is what 15 USDT to start up with. So 15 USDT, I'm going to be earning 16% of 15 USDT, and then we have what the level 2, which is going to be you are starting up with 50 USDT. Now after making this video, I will go back to like add up my the amounts I want to use, but for this video I'm just using 15 USDT. So after, for you to recharge, all you just need to do is to click on home. If you click on your home page, you see recharge here. So once you click on recharge, they are going to make available for you different form of address that support USDT. We have USDT BEP20, which is always my favorite. If you have been seeing my channel for a long time, I always make use of USDT BEP20. All you just need to do is to copy this and then you fund it with the amount that you want to use towards for the VIP plan you want. We have TRC, we have TRX, we have BNB. So before you do that, click on this quantify, the second icon counting from my left and then the third icon counting from my right. You're going to see an arrow pointing down at it. So you can see the various level. For 50 USDT, you are going to be earning around 16% of 50 USDT, which should be approximately around 6 point something USDT on a daily basis. That's almost around 12,000 naira on a daily basis. So let me just click on this quantify. So this is what you are going to do every 24 hours, right? So once you click on this quantify, it's going to give you the exact amount that you are going to claim daily. So once you claim this amount daily, what I urge you to do is what, make sure you place withdrawal. Wow, you can see it's even above what I thought. This around 2.4. So let me just quickly place withdrawal while we're still discussing. If you have any question, please make sure you ask me in the comment section. Go back to your home page and then you click on what, you click on withdraw. So once you click on this withdraw right here, you can see the address that is being provided is what, USDT BEP20. So let me just go down to that account. So I'm just going to just click on it right now. So once I click on it, I click on receive. I'm receiving it with USDT BEP20 network, right? So let me just come back right here on the page and then I drop down the address and I'm claiming everything 2.4. So I'm claiming everything, then I input my login password. Remember, I have login password and I have security password. So what I'm making use of what is my security password. Security password is different from your login password. So I've input it and you can see my withdrawal is successful. So I will go confirm it so that we can all see that the withdrawal is actually confirmed. But before I proceed with that, I want you all to find your way down to my Telegram channel. This is an alpha project that I'm giving you guys. It's just like the Pi network, right? It is called Caladio Testnet Mining. Now for you to ape into this project, all you just need to do is that you are going to find it available on my Telegram channel. So make sure you are not missing out on that detail. So let's go confirm if the withdrawal has actually arrived successfully. So let's just do it this way and then we'll see. So this is what I'm going to be doing on a daily basis. After 24 hours I'm going to be claiming this amount. So let me just refresh. You can see our withdrawal have actually arrived. You can see what I withdrew, 2.4. You can see it's actually right here. So that's just basically all you just need to do on this platform. Make sure you find your way down to my Telegram channel so you don't miss out. There are different ways that we earn here. You can see for this one we're making around 3 million naira every month. That's 3 million naira on this trading platform. So make sure you're not missing out on any detail whatsoever. There are different projects that you could ape into on this platform that I'm showing you guys, that we're earning 3 million in 30 days. This one is actually trading. It's not like quantification. You are actually trading, live trading here, and you are making money. If you have any question, ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.